कळंगूट खून प्रकरणात जोसेफ सिक्वेरा, सियोन फर्नांडीस आणि महेश रामपाल या तिनूय दुबावितांक कायमच्या बंदखणीची ख्यास्त सुनायल्या. तशेंच तांकां दरेका 10,000 रुपयांचो दंड दिलो. म्हापशेंच्या जिल्लो आनी सत्र न्यायालयान हो निवाडो दिला. जून 2017 वर्सा राती कडेन 11:30 ही खुनाची घडणूक घडिल्ली. दुबावितांनी सुरी आनी चॉपरान टायरोन नाजारेताचेर हल्लो केल्लो. ह्या हल्ल्यान ताका मरण आयिल्लें.
As the Tyrone Nazareth murder case concludes, it was a murder that had taken place in 2017 on the night of Sanjao, that is on the 24th of June 2017. And Mr. Tyrone Nazareth was murdered at the Calangute fish market on that particular night. Now, today the trial is concluded, and the three accused involved in this murder have been convicted for murder, and they have been sentenced to undergo life imprisonment and also to pay a fine of rupees 10,000 each. Now, the order of conviction and sentencing has been pronounced by Honorable Madam Srimati Shama Joshi. The investigation in this case was conducted by police personnel, by the team of police personnel led by our dynamic DYSP Shri Juba Dalvi. The prosecution in this case has been conducted by prosecutors like Francis Narona, Sunita Nagrekar, Srimati Anuradha Kalavadekar, and myself, Shri Roy D'Souza. We also have a message that we would like to send out behind this conviction to the youth of today, that crime does not go unpaid, and do not take the law into your own hands.